So now let's see how we can work around with hue, saturation, and lightness effect inside of CorelDRAW. So in order to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the effects menu, and then I can go around onto adjust, and here you can see that hue, saturation, lightness is an option right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and change around the hue, as you can see just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. I can go ahead and change around the hue right here, and then you can see that it changes out the color around over here just like this for this particular image. You can go around over here, change around the saturation to increase out the level of color and decrease it out as well, and then work around with the lightness of the overall image as well. Let me just go ahead and delete out this image, and I'm going to go ahead and import out another image right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this image right here just like this. And now what I can do is I can go around over here and apply the hue, saturation, lightness right here as well. So over here you can see that there are different channels. So I can change the overall color of the image right here, or I can go around and change around, let's say for example red right here, and then just change out the red right here just like this in the picture. You can also go around and change around the yellows, as you can see, and it controls that particular color. You can change around the greens right here just like this as well. So you can go around, change that out right here. And then you can go ahead and change around the cyan color right here as well, or like sky blue color. You can go around, change around the blues, as you can see right here just like this. And I can go around over here and change around the magenta color right here as well, but there's not much color for this, so you cannot control it. You can change this around with the hue, and for the green, let's say for example I can increase the saturation just of the green or decrease it out. Similarly, I can increase and decrease the lightness of the particular color as well. So I can increase this out or decrease the lightness just for a particular color as well. Apart from that, you can also go around onto yellow, let's say for example, and change around the saturation right here for that particular color, and then work around with the lightness for that particular color as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with hue, saturation, and lightness inside of CorelDRAW. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.